Hello and welcome to Rupee Rakshak's weekly market update. I have with me our experts Mohan and Sumant. So let's start with understanding how did the market move this week. So Sumant, you have been last 2-3 weeks you have been maintaining that 22,000 can be a very strong support.
Yes.
And on Tuesday we exactly saw market bouncing back from there, and last 3 days we have seen it in green. What do we figure out from this? Is the market going up from here, or is this just a temporary phase?
Yeah, so after 3 weeks of continuous brutal sell-off, we are seeing some relief rally this week.
Yeah.
This week, the Nifty has been up almost 1.93%, which is close to 2%. And if we see the other indices like Bank Nifty is least performing asset in this week, so it has almost like broke even. There's nothing much in Bank Nifty.
Yeah.
If we look at mid cap Nifty, it is recovered around 2.73% as of today. We are in the live market now. And if you look at small cap has reversed around 5.49%, 5.5%
Right.
almost. So we are seeing some relief rally after 3 weeks of sell-off. And as we have been talking about 22,000 level, so looks like exactly to be precise, from 21,964 was the low made in last Tuesday, and from there we are seeing around 2% upside rally. So let's see, because market is almost 15-16% that has corrected from all-time high, and looks like the macros are also improving, and though it has been a very slow and painful corrections for everyone, which probably the retail investors were not ready for, because we have seen this kind of correction in the past, but that happened in a very quick succession. But this time it was very slow and painful. But still, I think the retailers were very resilient this time, because I think a lot of awareness have come up and people have learned about how market performs. So still we see that a lot of investors still not panicking, and they're holding it with patience. And of late, as we touched 22,000 level, we saw some macros which are improving. Of course, the authorities are taking good actions, like RBI has infused, I think they are taking actions to infuse a good amount of liquidity, and they have been doing trying to stimulate the market time to time, and I think 1 lakh crore of I think infused with open market operations.
But 1.87 lakh crore is
and
the liquidity
another
infused.
87,000 crore of forex buy sell swap. I think that is what being planned, I think in the early March next week.
Right.
So that is a good sign. And dollar, that was the main concern for us. I think we have seen a good correction. So good sell-off happened in dollar as well. Right now I think it is trading below 104 from a 111 of all-time high. So that's also very good, and the crude prices are down. I think it is the $68 per barrel. That is the least since 2023. So I think for a country like India, who imports, who is a major importer of oil, I think that would be a very good thing for India. That's a strong point. So giving all these macros, I think we are at in a good stage where we can. I mean, the market is set to form a good base, and from here I feel the top AMCs and HNIs will start buying. In fact, Quant Mutual Fund, which is one of the largest fund house, they officially announced that the time is ripe for buying the mid cap and small cap, because a lot of good fundamental mid cap, small cap has corrected almost by 50-60%. So they are at dirt cheap valuation. So I think we are set for a good base formation, and from here on, I think once we cross probably 23,800, 24,000 level, we should be confident that we'll be again heading towards all-time high.
Sumant, you talked about the dollar index, 104 or from 111. In fact, the forex experts, the view is that dollar is likely to fall much more in the days to come, with a lot of activity happening around Japan and China devaluing it, and there is an alternative currency with BRICS and a lot of things happening with the tariff wars. And it is expected that in the 2 to 3 years, the dollar would fall substantially, and which is going to actually influence the stock market. So there could be some good news for Indian investors, because there is a clear shift in terms of dollar index falling, and there is a trend which experts believe that dollar is further going to fall, and for which reason FIIs could come back, and if they indeed come back, that is when we start seeing a lot of activity, and retailers also can rejoice. What do you think, Bijesh?
Absolutely, absolutely. Just all waiting for that.